Welcome to our new series, Style Sessions, where we're going to give you style inspiration for every occasion. Today I'm going to do a pack with me for some city break style inspiration. I've really tried to match the outfits with the vibe of each city, so if you've got a city break coming up, this is the perfect time to get a little inspiration. Copenhagen style really prioritises practicality. Comfort is key to this whole look. It's also quite a minimalist feel, lots of colour block and simple colours. The other thing about Copenhagen, it's a European city. In autumn, layering and warmth is key, which means my number one essential for the whole trip is a silky roll neck. It's a real kind of second skin layering piece, works so well, whatever you want to pair it with. It also provides the perfect foundation for that bold, high contrast colour block look that works so well in Copenhagen. You can pair it with a super warm knit over the top for a really kind of relaxed but practical vibe. Parisian style, on the other hand, is a really elegant, clean, beautiful look. It's got that kind of timeless chic feel. Silhouettes are all clean and beautiful. The styles are very classic, but also really feminine. For me, nothing is more Parisian than the classic striped t-shirt. You can layer it with something like a slinky silk skirt or pair it with a blazer for a much more kind of easy everyday look. We're going to bring it home to London style now. London is never overdressed. It's a city that's full of neutrals, transitional style, that real out of office chic kind of vibe. Never overdressed, loads of texture. The easiest way to tap into this look is with a pair of jeans. But if you want to bring it a little bit more up to date, that denim midi skirt trend will work so well for a London city break. You can find a list of all the pieces we've used today in the description below. I hope you've got loads of inspiration from this and that you really enjoy your next city break.